8 months a year, SCHD pays you absolutely nothing. Most investors build their entire retirement around this fund without realizing it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix that without selling a single share. I made this channel to make investing simplified. All investing carries risk. Do your own research. This is not financial advice. SCHD has averaged nearly 11% dividend growth per year since launch. A $10,000 investment at launch has grown to more than $32,000 in share value alone, and significantly more with dividends reinvested. The fund has survived every correction, every market panic, and every period of economic uncertainty, and kept paying through all of it. It is built on financially strong companies that raise dividends year after year. By almost any measure, SCHD is one of the finest dividend ETFs ever created. But there is one structural reality about SCHD that quietly works against you if your goal is monthly income, and most investors only realize it after they have already built a large position. SCHD pays 4 times a year: March, June, September, December. That means January, February, April, May, July, August, October, and November deliver nothing. 8 months of silence. If you're trying to build passive income that actually replaces a paycheck, income that shows up when your rent is due, when your car payment hits, when your grocery bill arrives, 4 annual lump sums do not work. You need income that flows every single month without gaps. Today I'm showing you a 2-fund system built around SCHD that solves this completely. You keep every dollar in SCHD. You add one carefully chosen partner fund. Together they generate dividend income in all 12 months of the year. I'll show you both funds, the projected payment schedule, and exactly how much you need to reach $500, $1,000, or $2,000 in monthly passive income. By the end of this video, you will have a clear, actionable system you can start building today. This is educational content only. I am not a licensed financial advisor. Dividend yields and payment dates change over time. Always verify current data with your broker and consult a qualified professional before making any investment decisions. SCHD pays in March, June, September, and December every year. The Q1 2026 ex-dividend date was March 25th, with payment landing March 30th. Going forward, payments typically fall in late June, late September, and mid-December. Always confirm exact dates with your broker before each quarter. SCHD's current yield sits in the high 3% range. More importantly, that yield grows. SCHD has averaged nearly 11% dividend growth annually since launch, which means every year you hold it, your income automatically increases without adding a single new dollar. That growth is the engine that makes the system so powerful over time. Now here is the partner fund that completes the system. JEPI, JP Morgan Equity Premium Income ETF. JEPI is the monthly income engine that fills every gap SCHD leaves open. It pays every single month without exception and has never missed a single distribution since launch. The ex-dividend date falls on the first business day of each month, with payment following in the first week. JEPI's trailing 12-month yield sits in the 7 to 9% range, depending on market conditions. Monthly distributions fluctuate with volatility, higher in turbulent markets, lower in calm ones, so always check current rates before investing. JEPI achieves that income through a covered call strategy layered on top of a portfolio of defensive, lower volatility U.S. stocks. 2 things worth knowing before you invest. First, JEPI will not grow at the same pace as SCHD over the long run. That is by design. It is built for income delivery, not capital appreciation. Second, most of JEPI's distributions are taxed as ordinary income rather than qualified dividends, so holding it inside a Roth IRA or 401k gives you the best after-tax result. Its role in this system is simple. Show up every single month while SCHD compounds underneath. Here is what your income calendar looks like with both funds working together. January, JEPI pays. February, JEPI pays. March, SCHD and JEPI both pay. April, JEPI pays. May, JEPI pays. June, SCHD and JEPI both pay. July, JEPI pays. August, JEPI pays. September, SCHD and JEPI both pay. Then October and November, only JEPI pays. And in December, SCHD and JEPI both pay. You receive income every single month of the year. 4 months deliver 2 payments simultaneously. You go from 4 annual lump sums to 16 dividend events across 12 months. That is a consistent, predictable cash flow. The kind of income that starts to feel like a real second paycheck. Here is the portfolio structure: 60% SCHD, 40% JEPI. SCHD holds the larger allocation because it is your long-term wealth engine. Its dividend grows every year automatically. JEPI's 40% weighting provides the monthly income backbone, covering every gap month and keeping cash flowing when SCHD is between distributions. The blended yield works out to approximately 5% using conservative estimates. Your actual result may be slightly higher. Always recalculate using live rates before committing capital. Now the income targets: $500 per month, $6,000 per year. At approximately 5% blended yield, you need around $120,000 invested. Split: $72,000 in SCHD and $48,000 in JEPI. $1,000 per month, $12,000 per year. You need approximately $240,000. Split: $144,000 in SCHD and $96,000 in JEPI. $2,000 per month, $24,000 per year. You'll need approximately $480,000. You can split $288,000 in SCHD, $192,000 in JEPI. One practical reality before you build this: your monthly income will not arrive in identical amounts. The 4 months where both funds pay together deliver a larger combined payment. The 8 solo JEPI months deliver a smaller, steadier amount. The solution is simple. Open a dedicated high-yield savings account. Route every dividend into that account. Pay yourself a fixed monthly transfer. Your annual income divided by 12. Surplus months build your buffer. Lighter months draw from it. Over the full year, your income becomes as predictable as a paycheck. 5 steps to build this system today. Step 1. Set your monthly income target. Write down a specific number. Vague goals produce vague results. Step 2. Divide your annual income goal by 0.05 to find the portfolio size you need. Adjust based on current yields when you invest. Step 3. Allocate 60% to SCHD and 40% to JEPI. If you already hold SCHD, calculate how much JEPI completes the 40% weighing. Step 4. Mark every ex-dividend date on your calendar. You must own shares before the X date. Miss it by 1 day and you miss the payment entirely. Step 5. Decide your dividend strategy. Still building wealth? Reinvest everything through DRIP. Living on the income? Route every payment to your buffer account and pay yourself a fixed monthly amount. SCHD is not the problem. It is one of the most powerful income tools ever created for individual investors. The only thing it was never designed to do is replace a monthly paycheck. Add JEPI alongside it and the gap disappears. You stop waiting for dividends and you start receiving them every single month without abandoning the fund your wealth is built on. Drop your income target in the comments right now. I will personally calculate exactly what you need in each fund to hit that number. I respond to every single comment. Subscribe for more income strategies built around the funds you already trust. See you in the next one. Smart investing, profitable results. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Past performance does not guarantee future results. Please consult a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions.